In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Rumble video on PC, MacBook, or a laptop. Just follow my instruction. You can see this is channel, so I'm to download this video. You can see it's me. I created this 3 years of ago. You just copy your targeted video link. Keep in mind this is my own video. Now just going on Google, then here I type Rumble video download online. So first website is good for me. Now I'm to just paste my targeted link. Then and to delete the some text. I keep it. Okay, that's good. Now I'm to click on this best quality and download. And you can see it's currently working. So I need to wait few seconds for wait time. Now I'm to click on this.
Hey, I'm
You
Kalam
see, it's me. I created 3 years ago. It is fantastic and uh, quick experience as download. Okay, it's maybe download start right now. Wow, it's already started. 75.8 MB. So it's maybe need 1 to 2 minutes for downloading. That's it. It's easy method. I hope this video help for you. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again.